New at 4, a judge in Utah rules that a preliminary hearing for the man accused of assassinating conservative activist Charlie Kirk, that will remain public.
The judge denying efforts by Tyler Robinson's defense team to hold some of those proceedings away from the media and the public. Fox's Asher Red is in Los Angeles right now. And Asher, what does this all mean for the hearing that is planned for July?
So John and Mark, this preliminary hearing is a routine step where prosecutors try to convince the judge that they have enough probable cause to bring the case to trial. And today's ruling means that all sensitive information, including surveillance video, recordings of witness statements, and even messages that prosecutors say show Robinson even admitting to the crime, will now be open to the public. Take a listen.
The public and the media enjoy a presumptive right to access court proceedings, including preliminary hearings. Public access to judicial proceedings also serve in an important role in maintaining confidence in the fairness and transparency of the judicial process.
Prosecutors say Robinson assassinated conservative influencer Charlie Kirk nearly 9 months ago in front of thousands of people at Utah Valley University. Police arrested Robinson the next day, and prosecutors charged him with aggravated murder, felony discharge of a firearm, obstruction of justice, and tampering with witnesses. Robinson was present, but off camera, of course, during today's virtual hearing. Now, Judge Tony Graff today also ordered prosecutors to justify public comments they made about the case, despite an order setting limits on what they can and cannot discuss with the media. The defense's motion stemmed from prosecutors saying that they were trying to, quote, set the record straight after a claim went viral that the bullet that killed Kirk did not match the suspected murder weapon. The judge did not rule today on whether prosecutors in fact violated the gag order, but he did order an evidentiary hearing on June the 12th.
Each side will have 1 hour and 30 minutes to present evidence, after which the court will take the issue under advisement and issue a ruling at a future date.
And Robinson will be in the courtroom for that hearing. John and Mark.